Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and I'm Zanila, hair expert for Gruda hair. Today, I will bring back to you a hot topic: how to start a hair business with no money. Start a hair business would be a dream of many women who have passion on the beauty, but money is a big problem. Don't worry, no money is no problem if you follow 5 steps provided by Gruda hair. First of all, you need to become an expert of hair. The customer don't buy hair from you if you don't know anything about it. It means that you must already know something about wig, hair extension, virgin hair, Remy hair. But this is not enough. Learn more knowledge about hair products on the market will benefit your business. And if you don't know anything, you can ask your hair supplier or don't hesitate to ask me. After you understand the market and the product, you need to do a lot of research on the demand of your customer, the style, the quality, the colors. You can start with your friend. Go out with them and listen carefully their remarks when they enter a beauty and hair store. When you go to the salon, talk with other ladies about their hair needs and listen very well. Where do they buy their hair? What do they like and do not like? Check on Instagram the comment given on hair selling account. Write everything down and it will help you to sell more hair. Marketing is an important part in every kind of business. Therefore, make sure you have a lot of pictures and video of the hair. If you don't have, don't worry, the supplier will be happy to provide to you, and you should need to save it for online store, advertising, and introduce the product to your customer. Dropshipping is a good way to start a hair business with no money. Look at the picture. I will show you how dropshipping works. You are a seller who will update hair items in your online store. Your customers surf the web, place an order, and make payments. After receive the payment from your customer, you transfer the customer detail order to your hair supplier so that they can ship the right hair item to your customer. If you are a newbie in hair market, you need to pay a lot of time to read the feedback of your vendor on the internet. Find more information of them on their website. Check their legends by make video call to see more about their factory, their hair, their stock. And one small tip for you, our factory will always give a big discount for wholesale order. Hope you can cooperate with you. Open a new hair business is not an easy game, so I hope that you guys can run it successfully. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Good luck to you and goodbye.